The 2023 Mercedes-Benz C200d AMG line. It delivers compelling blend of dynamic styling, refined luxury, and a modern performance. And as part of the W206 generation, it embodies Mercedes-Benz's commitment to sophistication in the mid-size executive sedan segment. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode. Hi, my name is Tatenda and we're back with another one. And today we said we've got the Mercedes-Benz C200. It's big, it's bold, it's everything. Massive tires. And guess what? If you are new to the channel, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing, because every week we bring you stuff. Not only that makes you tickle, but also stuff that makes you think twice. We need money, guys, because this is amazing. We're going to speak about the cost of ownership. We're going to speak about what drives this and the luxury and the comfort on the inside, everything. So without wasting any of your time, let's jump into the video. A quick fun fact of this edition 6 is that it's limited run and it had only 400 units that were available, including the sporty visual touches like 19-inch AMG wheels, a panoramic sliding roof, agility control suspension, and the pricing was just under R1,000,000. The AMG line styling impacts a dynamic and aggressive flair, complete with the body kits and the chrome accents, especially noticeable on the diamond grille and the star emblem. This is 3 years later, and fam, this is still causing a stir. This is a beautiful car. Let me know in the comment section what you call this color, but yeah, it's something else. If you're enjoying this episode, and if you're new to the channel, please let me know in the comment section. And also, if you haven't liked this video, please consider liking, please consider sharing, and please consider also subscribing. Whether you're driving this in 2025 or 2030, it still has that bold presence on the road. This is Mercedes-Benz luxury at its finest. Cries at night, a breath had born in the black wind where the shadows lie, deep inside despair. Our hearts grow fierce, our minds awake. Under the hood, the C200d is powered by a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo diesel producing about 118 kilowatts and 360 newton meters of torque. 0 to 100 in round about 8.5. Can I tell you that I did 0 to 100 in 7 seconds? But no, we're not talking about that. With a top speed of about 225 kilometers an hour, not that you have to drive 200 kilometers an hour. No, you're gonna be arrested. We do not advocate for speeding on this channel. But anyway, 225 kilometers is the top speed on it. It's not a rocket ship, but the torque delivers makes it feel effortless in daily driving. The 9-speed automatic gearbox is silky smooth. The agility control suspension balances comfort with a bit of AMG sportiness. Now, fuel economy, Mercedes-Benz claims 5 liters per 100. And you're like, what? For something this big to claim 5 liters per 100, this was going at around about 9 liters in urban driving. But on a relaxed highway, freeway type of vibe, you can still get that 5 to 6 liters depending on how heavy your foot gets. This makes it one of the most efficient premium sedans in the market today. Can you argue with that? Stats don't lie, numbers do not lie. Let's talk the tech and the features. Tech is where Mac really shines. The MBUX system is class leading. You can't just say, hey Mercedes, when it comes to change settings or navigate. There's also 3D navigation, wireless charging, AMG specific cluster modes, and the Edition 6 even comes with an upgraded sound system for those long drives. And I promise you, I was listening to UB40 and I was just going and. But anyway, I can't make you listen to that sound because Uncle YouTube is going to flag this. But anyway, go on to my TikTok or my Instagram. You're going to listen to that song and it is quality sound. I don't want to lie to you. On long stretch roads and you're chilling with your wife next to you, or she is driving and you're just chilling on the side. I'm not sure how many men would say their wives would drive and they will feel comfortable with them driving. But I'm not saying that they're bad drivers. I'm just saying, as gentlemen, we'll never allow our wives to drive and we are sitting, right? You get it? Anyway, if you're still here, please consider liking if you haven't liked this video. If you haven't shared it, please do so. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. I haven't figured out, are we going road to 2,000 subscribers because we're just under 1,900? So can we say road to 2,500 subscribers? This is the road. And we can't do it without you. So thank you so much. And if you'd like to advertise on our channel, please get in touch. All the link and the details are down below. That's how we get a kickback. If you go onto Mercedes-Benz website and you decide to buy a car because of us, please let them know that Mr. Rev sent them there. Sign a petition that Mr. Revs must present or represent Mercedes-Benz South Africa. So tag me, tag them, and let them know that I'm doing quality content because this video is going to blow. I can feel it. It is going to blow. So much so that Mercedes-Benz South Africa are going to get something in their ear through you and through all the comments and everything else. So like, share, subscribe, do everything possible, or join the team. If there are ads, watch those ads. That's how we make it. In terms of practicality, you get 455 liters of boot space, plenty for a couple of suitcases, golf bags, cricket bags. Rear passengers also have decent leg room. Now, I am very tall, but I still manage to fit there and will be comfortable for a long trip to Durban or Cape Town or wherever the road takes us. So there's decent leg room, though the middle seat isn't the most comfortable, but then at the end of the day, you are in an AMG, Alcantara leather, you're sitting there, you're comfortable, and the air conditioning is the everything that you need. You've got a sunroof and you can look at the skies and the trees that are rolling past you. It is worth a drive, whether you are on the driver's seat or at the back. This car still delivers. So the Mercedes-Benz C200 AMG Line Edition 6. What's my verdict before we jump into the cost of ownership? Now, the pros, it's a stunning AMG styling, excellent fuel efficiency, one of the best infotainment systems in the business, and that special edition 6 exclusivity, that the fact that there were 400 of these, it's worth it, according to me. The cons, however, it is not as sharp to drive as the BMW 3 Series. Some interior quality niggles, and of course the price tag. With just over 900,000 here in South Africa when it was launched, right now for a pre-owned on Auto Trader, you're looking at around about 600 to 800,000 Rand for a car with around about 26 to 30 or 40,000 kilometers on the odometer. So if you're after stylish, efficient, and tech-packed luxury SUV with AMG flair, this C200d Edition 6 is absolutely yes, it delivers. But if you want outright driving thrills, you might want to test drive other rivals too. But well, this is it from Revs.com reviewing the Mercedes-Benz C200 AMG Line Edition 6. Don't leave out that Edition 6 because 400 of these Edition 6. Until next time, keep those engines revving. And thank you so much to Jeff and TK for allowing us the space to deal with their car or to review their car. They said we're not just friends, we are family, and I really appreciate you from the bottom of my heart, and everyone that has been here to watch this, liking, sharing, and subscribing. Thank you to our sponsors as well for coming through on board. There's so many things that we need to make sure that this channel carries on going. So that extra 100 Rand that you can throw it our way and we're going to put it to good use. There's so many things that we need to do in this channel and making sure that we impact. And your next decision and your next decision to buy a car becomes seamless because of the channel. Thank you so much. We'll see you guys on the other side. Keep safe, keep believing, God loves you, and we'll see you again next time.